Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. His Excellency Bilal Dawoodi, Turkish Deputy Minister for National Defense, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Chief of the Naval Staff, General Flags and Air Officers, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is an honor to be here on the Defense Day of Pakistan, a day that reminds us of the courage, unity, and determination of our armed forces and citizens who defend our nation against extreme aggression. We are indebted to our martyrs and brave soldiers who laid down their lives, many of them my friends from college too, for the defense of motherland. We need a strong navy to protect Pakistan's geo-economic interest. It is reassuring that on this Defense Day, we are witnessing the induction of two Pakistani Navy ships, Babar and Hunain, into the Pakistan Navy fleet. These ships symbolize our strong friendship with Turkey and our trust and Dutch Damen shipyard in Romania. These ships will boost the capability of Pakistan Navy to defend our maritime boundaries. I'm glad, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad that Pakistan Navy is playing an important role in the regional security by being part of a multinational maritime coalition. It has instituted national maritime security patrols under its national mandate that reflects our resolve and commitment to providing a conducive maritime environment in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am confident that the induction of these ships into the Pakistan Navy fleet will consolidate and enable the fleet to meet the ever-growing operational responsibilities. Induction of PNS Babar and PNS Hunain will provide the fleet with enhanced firepower, greater reach, and more lethality to boost our capability in countering both conventional as well as asymmetric threats. I would also like to congratulate the builders, the ship construction teams for ensuring quality products that will serve Pakistan Navy for a long time to come. I will also like to appreciate the dedication, hard work, and commitment of all workers, technicians, engineers, and managers associated with the project, not only from Pakistan, but also from Turkey and Daman. My compliments to the teams at Messrs. Asfat Turkish Navy, Istanbul Shipyard, Daman Shipyard, Golati, and all OEMs involved in this project. I am sure that induction of these ships will be stepping stone for more avenues of cooperation. In the end, I wish the commanding officers and crew of PNS Babar and Hunain a Godspeed in all their endeavors. May these ships sail smooth in the high seas to secure Pakistan's maritime interests and keep Pakistan's flag flying high. I would like to thank Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Chief of the Naval Staff, for inviting me to this landmark occasion. I extend my profound facilitation to the nation on this day when we have reinforced our defense, and let us pledge to protect our motherland at all costs. The day shall be remembered in our history for times to come, inshallah. May Allah bestow our homeland with peace and prosperity and stability. Ameen. I thank you all. Pakistan Navy Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
I will now request the Honorable Chief Guest to hand over the ship's scroll to Commander Pakistan Fleet, which will mark the induction of both ships into Pakistan Navy Fleet. Now, I will request Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military Tamgai Basalat, Chief of the Naval Staff, to present memento to the worthy Chief Guest.